What's up, guys? I'm going to show you my electrical tools. So like I said, I have like 3 bags. One for plumbing, one for electrical, one's general. And now I'm at the point where I kind of know what tools I need for what jobs. So I grab from whatever, and I use this bag here and just go, roll out with the door tag. We're good to go. So I'll just start out here. The first set I bought of insulated screwdrivers, I really liked them. So it was a 5-piece. I think it was $40. You got linesman pliers. I think the company's BOOHER, so BOOHER. Got them on Amazon. So it came with the linesman, the long needle nose, flathead insulated screwdriver, Phillips head insulated screwdriver, and a small flathead. It's nice that it has the symbols, so when you grab them, you know what you're getting. These ones, I now keep them in my pump for working on boiler pumps and stuff. I keep these in there in case if I have to disconnect the electrical. And I found these on Amazon. I'm a big fan of Stanley. So these are Stanley Fat Max insulated screwdrivers, made in France, which is strange. Usually their stuff's USA. I didn't know made in France. But the quality is really good. I just started using them like a week ago. They aren't marked, but usually the only 2 I'm going to be using are these. The bigger flathead and the bigger Phillips head. They come with 2 smaller flatheads also. I forget what this tip's called. Roberts? And then you have the circuit tester. So just for these screwdrivers was $40 on Amazon, but I think is well worth it. So I'll continue on. Choose the bag. Use a Husky. Have Klein wire strippers. There's a spring, comes with a spring here, but I always rip that out. Kind of annoys me. Makes them a lot easier to use without it. Pair of Stanley dikes. Klein flathead. Stanley linesman pliers. They've held up good. I bought these also. I haven't really used them much, but they're supposed to be linesman dike wire strippers. Just kind of if you forget a tool or something. Fluke voltage tester. Now this is new since I bought the Milwaukee 12 volts. I use this for all my electrical, what I used to use, and it's still a great option. Don't laugh. But this little 4-volt Black & Decker is great for working on plugs or lights. You know, it has a nice LED built right in. You're not going to over tighten anything. It can pull stuff out, and the bottom has it's like a faux battery pack, but with storage, and you can keep, you know, the proper machine screws 6/32 or 6/32 and 8/64, I forget, I don't know. But this is like 19 bucks at Walmart, and I still use it sometimes. It's very good. So if you're on a budget and you do, you know, apartment maintenance or whatever maintenance, this is a very good tool option for you. Klein voltage clamp tester. Utility knife. This is a 15-foot fish tape, which is perfect for apartments, you know, because that's, if you need more than that, you know, it's a bigger job than usual. I bought this Greenlee kit. I think it was like, I found it on Amazon for like 10, 12 bucks. But you can store some bits in there, and then it has self-tappers for a drill. It's a 6/32, 8/32 are basically the ones that you're going to use. And they're, you know, quick change, and they also have a quick change adapter in there. Real nice, handy little kit. Outlet tester, Klein, let you know if, you know, something's loose or you wired it wrong. And then my favorite tool in the kit is these Knipex fully insulated pliers, because 99% of the time we're working on live wires, and they come in handy. Always want a good headlamp when you're putting lights in or outlets. Very convenient, so you have two hands available. And then I always keep 2 needle noses, and I'll show you why. Say you're working on a hot outlet or switch. you have two pairs, first let's do this here. First off, wiring an outlet, you want to bend the wire to go with the way the screw turns to the right. So this goes that way, this goes that way. So gold is hot, silver is neutral. So we'll start with the neutral. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our needle nose, bend it right about there, and crap. Bend it there, put a nice bend in it there, and go around the screw like that. And then just tighten it down. So like that, you want it wrapped around this way. Same with the ground. We'll make a little hook. Wrap around the screw. Go like that. Clamp down on it. Now back to the two needle nose. Say if this is out of an outlet hanging there, if you have two needle nose and this is hot, you can grab it with one pair disconnect the wire, and you can pull the wire off with the other pair of needle nose, and you can kind of move it. I find that's the easiest way to do that. One last thing. Always keep a pair of gloves. Now if you work somewhere where it's plaster ceilings, you know, like real old buildings, I found that the Rock-On is for like cement board when you tile. These really stick, so you can hang lights and stuff with these. And that's what I've been doing. So there's that tour. I'm going to pump out a few more videos today. Thanks for watching.